Feeling the quiet of empty rooms? What if your golden years could be your most vibrant? Discover 4 simple keys to unlock a life filled with joy, connection, and strength. Periods of solitude are a natural component of life, particularly as we navigate our later years with accumulated wisdom. This time alone, when approached with intention, can transform from a source of unease into a deeply enriching experience. It offers an unparalleled opportunity for introspection, personal growth, and the cultivation of profound inner peace and contentment. Learning to master joyful solitude is not about isolation, but about discovering the richness within oneself and one's surroundings. This journey involves conscious effort and the adoption of practices that nurture the mind, spirit, and personal environment. It is crucial to distinguish between solitude, a chosen state of being alone, and loneliness, an unwelcome feeling of isolation. Solitude is characterized by a sense of peace and contentment found in one's own company, fostering self-connection. Loneliness, conversely, often brings feelings of sadness, emptiness, or a longing for connection that feels unmet currently. Embracing solitude allows for a deliberate engagement with oneself, free from the demands and expectations of others. This distinction empowers individuals to reframe their alone time as a valuable resource rather than a deficit to endure. Meditation serves as a cornerstone for cultivating inner tranquility and mental clarity, especially beneficial during quiet periods alone. This ancient practice involves focusing attention, often on the breath or a mantra, to quiet the mind's persistent chatter. Regular meditation can significantly reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and improve emotional regulation, enhancing overall well-being significantly. Even brief daily sessions, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes, can yield substantial benefits for mental and emotional health. Simple techniques like mindful breathing or guided meditations are accessible starting points for those new to this practice. Meditation fosters a deeper awareness of the present moment, allowing for an appreciation of life's subtle beauties. It cultivates a sense of calm presence, making solitary moments feel more centered, peaceful, and profoundly restorative. Consider exploring different meditation styles to find one that resonates personally, such as mindfulness or loving-kindness meditation. The stillness achieved through meditation can open pathways to profound insights and a stronger connection to one's inner self. Journaling offers a private, reflective space to process thoughts, emotions, and life experiences with honesty and depth. The act of writing can be profoundly therapeutic, helping to untangle complex feelings and gain valuable self-understanding. Maintaining a journal can also serve as a precious record of personal history, preserving memories and insights for oneself. It provides an opportunity to articulate gratitude, explore challenges, and chart personal growth over extended periods of time. There are no rules for journaling. It can be free-form writing, structured prompts, or even simple daily logging. This practice encourages introspection, leading to a richer inner life and a clearer perspective on personal narratives. Through regular journaling, one can identify patterns, celebrate achievements, and navigate transitions with greater awareness and grace. Consider dedicating a specific time each day for journaling, creating a consistent habit of thoughtful self-reflection. Writing down one's thoughts can also alleviate mental burdens, offering a tangible way to externalize and manage concerns. Engaging in creative hobbies provides a fulfilling outlet for self-expression and a powerful antidote to potential feelings of idleness. Pursuits such as painting, writing, gardening, playing a musical instrument, or crafting can ignite passion and joy. These activities stimulate the mind, maintain cognitive function, and can lead to the development of new, rewarding skills. The process of creation itself is often deeply satisfying, offering a sense of accomplishment and purpose during solitary hours. Exploring new hobbies or revisiting old ones can uncover hidden talents and provide immense personal satisfaction and growth. Creative endeavors allow for a unique form of communication, expressing emotions and ideas that words alone may not capture. Whether learning a new craft online or dedicating time to a lifelong passion, creativity enriches the experience of solitude. Consider setting up a dedicated space for creative pursuits, making it inviting and accessible for regular engagement. The joy found in creative expression can transform alone time into a period of vibrant activity and self-discovery. Creating a comfortable, safe, and inspiring home environment is fundamental to enjoying periods of solitude and tranquility. Your living space should be a sanctuary that reflects your personality, and support your well-being and daily activities. Consider decluttering to create a more serene and organized atmosphere, reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity significantly. Incorporate elements that bring you joy, such as cherished photographs, artwork, comfortable furnishings, or indoor plants. Ensure good lighting, both natural and artificial, to create a warm, inviting ambiance throughout your personal home. Personalize your surroundings to make them conducive to relaxation, reflection, and the pursuit of your chosen hobbies. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing home can significantly improve mood and make time spent alone more enjoyable. Think about accessibility and safety, making modifications that support independent living and ease of movement within your home. Your home environment plays a crucial role in fostering a sense of security and contentment during solitary moments. Establishing comforting daily routines provides structure and predictability, which can be especially grounding when spending time alone. A consistent schedule for meals, sleep, and activities helps maintain physical and mental well-being, promoting overall health. Routines can imbue the day with a sense of purpose, transforming unstructured time into a series of meaningful engagements. Incorporate activities you genuinely enjoy into your daily plan, such as reading, walking, or listening to preferred music. These regular patterns can anchor your days, reducing feelings of aimlessness and fostering a sense of accomplishment. A balanced routine should include time for rest, activity, social connection if desired, and personal pursuits. Even simple rituals, like enjoying a morning cup of tea in a favorite spot, can bring comfort and stability. Flexibility within your routine is also important, allowing for spontaneity while maintaining a general framework for your day. Well-crafted daily routines contribute significantly to a positive experience of solitude, making each day feel more fulfilling. These practices, meditation, journaling, hobbies, and mindful living, collectively foster a deeper, more meaningful connection with oneself. Solitude, when embraced, becomes a precious opportunity for profound self-discovery and acceptance of one's authentic nature. By quieting external distractions, you can more clearly hear your inner voice, understand your needs, and honor your values. This enhanced self-awareness is a cornerstone of emotional intelligence and contributes to a more resilient and centered life. Time spent in thoughtful solitude allows for reflection on life's journey, appreciating past experiences, and anticipating future possibilities. Intentional alone time is not a passive state, but an active choice to engage with oneself on a deeper level. It provides a necessary respite from the often hectic pace of modern life, allowing for genuine rest and rejuvenation. Cultivating an appreciation for solitude can lead to increased self-reliance and a stronger sense of inner resourcefulness. This time is invaluable for processing thoughts, making important decisions, and simply being present with one's own being. Ultimately, embracing solitude enriches not only our inner lives, but also enhances the quality of our interactions with others. Mastering joyful solitude is a skill that enhances the quality of life, particularly in our mature and reflective years. By transforming alone time into an opportunity for growth, individuals can find profound contentment and enduring inner peace. The practices of meditation, journaling, creative engagement, and mindful living are powerful tools in this transformative journey. Embracing solitude with intention allows for a richer, more meaningful existence, filled with purpose and self-understanding. This path leads to a deeper appreciation for oneself and the quiet strength found within periods of chosen solitude. The pursuit of knowledge and understanding remains a vital aspect of a fulfilling life, regardless of one's age. Engaging in lifelong learning offers a proactive strategy for maintaining cognitive vitality and overall well-being during later years. Retirement increasingly represents not just an end to a career, but a new chapter for personal growth and intellectual exploration. This perspective encourages older adults to actively seek opportunities for continuous mental stimulation and skill development. Embracing new learning experiences can profoundly enrich the quality of life for individuals in their senior years. The human brain possesses a remarkable capacity for adaptation, known as neuroplasticity, even in advanced age. Actively learning new subjects or skills stimulates neural pathways, fostering the creation of new connections within the brain. This cognitive engagement can significantly contribute to enhanced memory recall and improved attention spans for older individuals. Furthermore, consistent mental exercise strengthens problem-solving abilities and critical thinking, essential for daily navigation. Research suggests that sustained intellectual activity may play a role in building cognitive reserve, potentially delaying decline. By challenging the mind regularly, older adults can work towards preserving mental acuity and intellectual sharpness. Such activities help maintain the brain's flexibility, allowing it to adapt more readily to new information and situations. The cognitive benefits are not merely theoretical. They translate into practical improvements in everyday functioning and independence. Engaging with complex ideas or acquiring new competencies keeps the mind agile and resilient throughout the aging process. The act of learning often instills a profound sense of purpose and personal accomplishment, boosting self-worth. Acquiring new knowledge or mastering a skill can be a powerful antidote to feelings of stagnation or boredom. Lifelong learning provides avenues for positive engagement, which can effectively combat feelings of loneliness or social isolation. Successfully navigating a new course or understanding a complex topic enhances self-esteem and overall confidence. The inherent joy of discovery and the satisfaction of intellectual curiosity contribute significantly to emotional well-being. Engaging mental activities can also serve as a healthy coping mechanism, helping to manage stress and anxiety. Pursuing interests through learning offers a structured and fulfilling way to utilize time, particularly during retirement. This commitment to personal development fosters a positive outlook and contributes to a more optimistic view of aging. Educational settings, whether online or in person, frequently provide valuable opportunities for new social interactions. Shared intellectual pursuits can form the basis of strong friendships and meaningful connections with like-minded individuals. Group learning environments, such as classes or workshops, naturally encourage discussion, collaboration, and mutual support. These interactions can alleviate social isolation, a concern that can become more pronounced in later life. Many learning programs also facilitate intergenerational connections, offering rich exchanges of perspectives and experiences. Participating in community-based learning strengthens social networks and a sense of belonging within one's local area. Our contemporary world is characterized by rapid technological advancements, necessitating continuous adaptation and learning. Developing digital literacy skills is increasingly crucial for accessing information, services, and maintaining social connections. Understanding current events, societal shifts, and emerging technologies helps older adults remain engaged and informed citizens. Lifelong learning empowers individuals to navigate new systems effectively, from online banking to telehealth services. Staying abreast of new developments ensures continued relevance and active participation in an evolving society. This adaptability fosters independence and confidence in managing the complexities of modern life and its evolving demands. Formal educational opportunities abound, including university courses often available for auditing or through extension programs. Community colleges provide accessible and diverse curricula tailored for adult learners seeking new skills or knowledge. Online platforms like Coursera, edX, and specialized programs such as Osher Lifelong Learning Institutes offer vast resources. Public libraries are invaluable community hubs, offering workshops, lectures, digital resources, and quiet study spaces. Museums, art galleries, and historical societies frequently host educational programs, tours, and insightful lecture series. Informal learning through book clubs or discussion groups encourages critical thinking and shared intellectual exploration. Acquiring practical skills in areas like arts, crafts, music, or foreign languages can be deeply rewarding. Learning new culinary techniques or developing gardening expertise offers both enjoyment and tangible results. Experiential learning through thoughtfully planned travel or dedicated volunteering can also broaden horizons significantly. Mentoring others provides a unique learning opportunity, reinforcing one's own knowledge while guiding another individual. Apprehension regarding technology can be addressed through patient, step-by-step instruction, and readily available support systems. Many institutions offer introductory courses designed to build digital confidence gradually and effectively for all learners. Financial constraints should not be an insurmountable barrier, as numerous free or low-cost learning options exist. Explore scholarships, senior discounts, and open educational resources to make learning more financially accessible. Physical limitations can often be accommodated through online courses, offering flexibility or accessible in-person venues. Even with ample retirement time, Integrating learning requires thoughtful planning to balance with other commitments. Building self-assurance is key. Begin with subjects of strong interest or manageable short courses to foster momentum. Remember that the goal is personal growth and enjoyment, not necessarily formal accreditation or intense pressure. Begin your learning journey by identifying subjects or skills that genuinely spark your curiosity and personal interest. Set achievable and realistic learning objectives, breaking down larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Experiment with different learning modalities to discover which style best suits your individual preferences and strengths. Consistency in learning, even in short, regular intervals, often yields better results than sporadic, intensive efforts. Cultivate a dedicated and comfortable space at home that is conducive to focused study and intellectual engagement. Don't hesitate to seek support from instructors, fellow learners, or family members when facing challenges. Celebrate your progress along the way, acknowledging each new skill learned or concept understood. Embracing lifelong learning is a profound investment in your cognitive health, personal happiness, and continued development. The journey of intellectual discovery does not have an endpoint. It is a continuous path of enrichment. We encourage you to actively seek out new knowledge, explore diverse interests, and embrace enriching experiences. Maintaining an engaged and curious mind is one of the most rewarding pursuits available throughout one's entire life. The benefits extend beyond personal enrichment, contributing to a more vibrant and knowledgeable community for everyone. Therefore, consider the myriad opportunities available and take that first step towards a new learning adventure today.